Activity Factory.
This is a song-based lesson plan for online teaching. However, it can be modified for face-to-face classes as well. For this lesson plan, we are featuring the song Cardigan by Taylor Swift. For detailed instructions, PDF, answers, and free downloadable materials, check the links in the video description. Step-by-step lesson plan. Warm up. Step 1, 5 minutes. Option 1, play Hangman with the phrase, "I love music." Option 2, show the following quote from the lyrics, and ask students if they agree or disagree, and why. When you are young, they assume you know nothing. Vocabulary video and practice. Step 2, 3 minutes. Students watch the vocabulary video. Play the video twice. Words and phrases on the video: vintage tee, high heels on cobblestones, sequin, cardigan, playing hide and seek, the high line, scars and haunt. Step 3, 5 minutes. Show slide 1 with the words and the pictures. Students make sentences connecting the words and the pictures, and send them via chat box. Tell them to make crazy connections. Word cloud. Step 4, 5 minutes. Show the slide with the word cloud. Have students say if they can identify which song you are going to work with. Ask them to say what kind of song they think it is based on the words. Jigsaw viewing. Step 5, 7 minutes. Divide the class into 2 groups, A and B. Group A stays with you to watch the music video. Group B goes to the breakout room and waits. Group A pays careful attention to the music video, to retell the story to the others later. Step 6, 12 minutes. When Group B comes back to the main room, make mixed pairs, student A plus student B, in breakout rooms. Student A retells the story from the video to student B, who types it on a notepad. Give them 10 minutes for the task. Collaborative Google Doc. Step 7, 10 minutes. Back to the main room, share the link to the collaborative Google Doc with the designated spaces, for the pairs to paste their texts. Students read all the narratives. Highlight the mistakes, but do not correct them now. Assign the correction for homework. Step 8, 5 minutes. Play the video again for everyone, so students from Group B can see the video too. Have some students compare their narratives with the real video. Interactive worksheet. Step 9, 10 minutes. Share the link to the interactive worksheet. Students listen to the song and fill the gaps. Watch these videos for more awesome activities. Subscribe to our channel. Visit songactivityfactory.com. Thank you for watching.